Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 web browsers in your HUAWEI P60 Pro. So the first one, Opera, in this browser just click here on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. The next one, Microsoft Edge, click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the plus. Now the Firefox. If you have this welcome screen, just click here, and that's it. If you have any tab opened, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask, and click on the plus private. And the last one, the default web browser in the HUAWEI. Click on the forward icon and switch to the private mode. And now click on the new, and that's it. And in the Incognito mode, your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even learned the words from the keyboard will be not saved on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.